So we have some changes that we want to make to the upscale cleaning website on Socially Versed. So let's go ahead and just shoot a quick little video showing you how we're making these changes, just so you can get more familiar with the Socially Versed platform so you can customize and manage it better for your business. So we're going to go ahead and change this out to a little bit different copy, and that is not what I want to have it say. What I'm going to do is copy the copy that I want to add to this section, or I can come in here and custom type it out. So when I actually click on inside of here, I can now copy and paste what I want to say or type it out right there. And we've now made that change. So once again, if you want to update any text that is already on your website, all you have to do is click it once. This will pop up and you can click it twice to actually start going in there and text, like editing the text and changing whatever you want the wordage to be. Once again, I'll show you again. Click it once. This will pop up. You can edit the icon, edit the styling, the alignment settings. You can add animation delay. You can copy the widget. When you copy a widget, it'll come up into here. You can delete it. Or once again, if you tap it again, you can actually now go in to actually edit the text. The next thing we want to do for this specific website is we want to go ahead and remove this section. So anytime I'm removing a section, what I like to do is actually copy the widget. And as you can see, it'll go here. And if you want to just hide it, you can actually hide it just by doing that. And it'll no longer show on your live website, which is sometimes what I actually like to do. Just in case you ever do want to add it to your website in the future, all you have to do is click it once and that'll be done. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and hide it, so it'll no longer be visible on the website. So one thing you want to often do is click save up here. And as you can see in the Socially Versed platform, there is a back button or a redo button. So if you do make an accidental change, you can just click that back button and the change will come back. Once again, I'm just going to hide it. And now that I've made a change, I can discard all the changes or save all the changes. Once you click save, they will go to your live website. Just so keep that in the back of your head. When you click that save button, it will go ahead and actually push your website live. So we also want to remove it from each of the services pages. So to jump in the pages, we can go to these three lines and then go to the specific page that we want to go to. And once again, we just want to hide it or remove it and then go save. Now we're going to jump into the commercial page and do the same thing. Go down to that section and we have the option to once again copy it, delete it, or just hide it on the page. Another few changes we do want to make on this section is this is the commercial cleaning section. So we're going to go ahead and change all of that out. We're going to find it right here again and change it out there. Once again, all I had to do is click on it once to pull up the edit box and then click on it twice to actually edit the actual text. So we're going to save those changes. Now we're going to continue going in and removing the actual blog sections from each page. I'm going to hide that there. I also see I need to remove residential here and change it to deep cleaning. Now we have one more page to remove it off of. Okay, now that has been done, and there's a couple different things that we want to actually change on this page. One thing we do want to update is get rid of this section right here. Moving forward, another thing we want to actually update on this website is actually back in the deep cleaning page, and we're going to jump into here and go to edit this section right here. We're going to go ahead and change the eco-friendly products, or the non-toxic part, just to eco-friendly. So just go ahead and get rid of the non-toxic, and we've now edited that. So now we can go ahead and go save there.